This is how to buy GPT Wars step by step. GPT Wars is a blockchain-based game that integrates AAA FPS gameplay with AI agents. Powered by GPTW tokens, the token features deflationary mechanics, staking rewards, and exclusive utility within the GPT Wars ecosystem. With over 10 years of experience, I'm here to show you exactly how I personally buy crypto projects. Step 1. Pick an exchange. There are many options out there, but the key is finding the one that's user-friendly, secure, and offers competitive fees. To save you time, I've already done the research. In the description, I have links to the exchanges I personally use. Pro tip, sign up on all exchanges linked below. Sometimes projects list earlier on certain exchanges, giving you an advantage. Step number 2. Signing up. You sign up on the platform by providing your email and password, or for example by signing in through Google. Complete any identity verification or KYC to unlock full access and use two-factor authentication to secure your account. This is very important. Pro tip, most exchanges have newcomer bonuses, sometimes up to thousands of dollars. To get these bonuses, you need to use the links I provided in the description down below. Step number 3. Deposits and withdrawals. Next, in order to buy crypto, you need to deposit funds into your account. Most exchanges support bank transfers, credit/debit cards. Personally, I use credit cards for anything below $2,000 and bank transfers for larger $10,000 plus transactions, especially when withdrawing big amounts of profit. Pro tip, always deposit just slightly more than you plan to spend. Transaction fees can leave you short if you deposit the exact amount, and most projects are traded using the USDT currency. Step number 4. Transferring your funds. In order to buy the crypto with your funds, they need to be transferred to the spot trading wallet. And then you navigate to the spot trading section, where you then can search for your trading pair. Pro tip, bookmark the official page to avoid phishing sites. Step number 5. You place your order. Decide how much you want to buy. You can use a market order to buy at the current price. Then you confirm the transaction and you're done. Pro tip, a lot of traders trade using leverage. Leverage increases the amount you buy, but it comes with additional risk. If you want to get into leverage trading, I suggest watching my series on how I personally trade using leverage. And of course, if you want to see how I'm personally trading specific projects for massive gains, subscribe and check the links below to our trading community. In the community, I share my personal trades and trade signals. I hope you make massive gains. Until next time, peace.